Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show you a simple way how you can add countdown timer to your Elementor website. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just scroll down below to the description and click on the link. When you'll do it, you'll get on this site called L-Site. L-Site is an amazing company with a lot of widgets, and one of the widgets they make is countdown timer. So let's go to top right, sign up for free. Now we want to sign with the Gmail, Facebook, or normal mail. It's completely up to you. And when you got it, click login. Right here, you're going to be in applications, and in search, you just want to write countdown, and then you got it, countdown timer. So let's create a widget. And now you can choose between normal countdown timer, Black Friday sale banner, urgency countdown. I'm going to choose like this one here, but you can really choose which one you actually want. Let's continue with the template. The first thing you're going to change is type. So you can have a start to finish timer, remaining time counter per visitor, or start to finish number counter. So I can, like, the most used is remaining time counter, and I can go set time in minutes, and I can go like 15 minutes. So let's say that I have e-commerce, and for 15 minutes, if they're gonna order something, they are going to get better price. Message before timer, okay. And now you can edit the button, you can disable it or enable it. You're gonna change also like where it's going to head, and you can change the style of it and like the colors and everything. So when you got it, like I can change it to, I don't know, like green or even red, right? And then when you got it, click save. Right after you do, you need to choose a plan. If you're starting out with your website, go with the light version. But if you're gonna have 5,000, 50,000, or 5 million views, go with the basic pro enterprise. Let's copy the code here. And now what I'm going to do, I'll just search widget. I'll just add HTML and so take the HTML widget, paste it, and paste the code here. And look at this, beautiful, right? I'm going to preview the changes so you can actually see it. And voila, I got it. So this is how you can simply add countdown timer to your Elementor website. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments. I definitely recommend check all the other applications in our site if you can find them useful. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So goodbye.